all of you. We want to Jesus.
Jeff, but who be like
Study your Bible. Read your Bible. Come to Jesus. Read your Bible. Study your Bible. Read your Bible. Jesus is coming on. He is coming. Jesus is coming. He is coming. Jesus is coming on. Prepare, prepare. Prepare for Jesus. Jesus is coming. Prepare. Very soon he will come. Very soon he will come. Prepare, love your neighbor. Prepare, be good. Prepare, forgive. Forgive your enemy. Jesus is coming. Forgive. Jesus is coming. Love your neighbor. Jesus
Lady.
is coming.
Hello, lady.
Jesus is coming.
This is a public transport. It's not a private bus. A public transport is. You're confusing other people. Shut up! You're confusing other people. You're fool. It's a public transport. You're bloody fool.
God bless you. Thank you for listening. God bless you. Thank you for listening.
In the bedroom. In the bedroom, this is. It's a bus. Public transport, this is. Well, shut up. Disturbing other people. Get out the bus. Disturbing people. You fool.